available with courses in cybersecurity, cloud computing, and systems architecture. Find your purpose at Randy.
While I'm eating, she don't care. She jumps up on me. Unbelievable. I love it. At least this time you waited for me to put the shirt on, huh? Every time she sees red shirt now, she sees like this, flannel, she so automatically associates that with, she's gonna jump up on me and love me like she's loving me right now. She wants to smell every piece of food that goes in my mouth. I try to feed her some, she won't eat it. She just wants to smell it. I love you. Yeah. That's my leftover pancake. All of a sudden I couldn't eat. And they were delicious. Best pancakes in town are at Elm Street Diner. Elm Street, Stamford, Connecticut. What's up, Tigress? I love you, pussycat mama. You're a good girl. She loves me. I saved this pussycat. And her babies. This is one of her babies. It's bigger than her. Her babies are just over 2 years old. There's another one right there. Ooh, right there. A couple of them. Anyway.
As the sun sets on October 31st, 1914, Krebs waits with bated breath to see her.
I mean, my Tigress. She's a good girl. I love you, pussycat mama. She's the marmalade pussycat mama. You're a good girl. She's a boozy boo. Oh, look who else we got here. It's Jody. We want to put the water on. I don't know, there's something about this bathroom sink basin. Simba likes to drink from it. Other guy, Patches likes to play in it. The mother likes to play in it. You, I don't know what you want. What do you want? You want me to pet your head. She wants me to pet her head. Look at this. Yeah, Jody, good girl. She's a good girl. Pussycat Jody Stockwell. She's named after the great late Jody Stockwell. My lifelong friend since freaking kindergarten. Anyway, that I miss dearly. I was on my way to see her and her husband when she passed away. I was, I don't know, in the Carolinas or something. In the middle of my trip down, I was going on to see my father, and then I was going to pay her a visit, and I screwed up. Everybody started dying. Anyway, we had so many deaths that month, it was unbelievable. Jody, pussycat Jody. What's up, honey? What do you want? She wants me to give her a bath. You got monkey butt. Now wash your monkey butt. She's very smart. She comes over here and she assumes the position. Meow. When she's got dirty, stinky monkey butt and she wants, and she doesn't want to lick it up herself. I'll wash her ass for her. Whoa, don't fall. Please, please, don't fall. Don't get hurt. All right. Tigress. What's up, my pussycat mama? You know, your claws are very long. Look at this, Jody. They all want attention. No, I think I just ate. I gotta go back out. I don't know what to do. My everyday car is giving me a hard time right now. The computer's going haywire. Alright. That's it.